Hi, Kingston, how are you?
I am good.
You share your screen, okay?
Okay. Perfect.
Go to AP1.
AP1?
Mm. If you're level 2 finish, go to AP1.
Okay.
AP1 is AP exam level 1.
Oh, okay.
It is as hard as level 2.
Mm.
One more. One more. It's easy so far. It's pretty easy. Okay, this one is wrong. Because it said that 3, it already says the increasing order. So the A, B, C already has this order.
Okay.
That's number one. Wait, don't move yet. Don't move yet. Okay. I haven't done. I'm not done yet. Second, it said that 3 adjacent score differ at most 2. So you don't need to check the middle one. You just check this one and this one. So C minus A less than equals 2.
Okay.
You don't need to check the middle one. So here, this one, the condition need to be modified. No, I told you already. You're not listening. A less than B less than C contain the 3 adjacent score that differ at most 2. You just need to compare the last one and middle, the first one. So
Oh,
it just
okay.
is C minus A less than equals 2. Go. Okay.
Okay.
This one, let me have Stephen. So when you read properly, you have to carefully read it. Okay.
Mm.
Not just doing coding. That's not the most important part. The most important part is you need to understand what they really ask for.
Mm.
Okay. Go back to Kirsten. Kirsten, your turn. Okay. Go. Good job. Okay.
Hmm.
Next one, let me have Stephen. Stephen, your turn. Why you delete everything? What happened? What is wrong? Well, what is this?
Oh, because I put it in Boolean.
No, it's not Boolean. You want to say this, but your math function is wrong. How can you put the less than equal into the function?
Yeah.
Yeah? You don't know what's wrong?
Oh, no, I'm just reviewing, checking.
You haven't figured out what's wrong? This is wrong. I told you already. What's wrong? You don't know what you're doing, actually. When we say two numbers difference less than 10, it's actually a minus b less than equals 10. In Java, it's math.abs a minus b parentheses less than equals to 10. How can you put that less than equal to into the function call? You
Yeah.
just be kidding. And actually, it's not less than equal to. We actually say is a greater, more or less than 10 or more. 10 or more.
Wait, but it said less than.
That means that A is less than B minus 10. Less than or equal to. So this one actually means B minus A greater equals to 10.
Oh,
You're completely off, okay? You're really completely off. Originally, you just put this one in here, put this one in here, this one in here, okay? You will match the ABS A minus 10 greater equals B. That's actually totally wrong. How can you put the greater equal to into the function call?
yeah, I got kind of confused.
It's not confused. You totally get it wrong. It is not confused. You totally get it wrong. ABS function, you can only put a number in there. You cannot put a greater equal to into the function call. It's not confused. You're totally wrong. Okay, go back to Kirsten. Kirsten, your turn. Kirsten, your turn.
Okay.
Go. This one is actually why it's greater than 0, not greater equal 0. You actually the equal sign creates trouble. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Because you are equal 0, you actually go into here again, and 0 go into here again, 0 go into here again. You actually never get out. Okay.
Okay.
This one,
Thanks.
go back to Stephen. Stephen, your turn. Okay. This one, Kirsten, your turn. Go. So if you combine this one, D equals 0 will be all this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Next one, go to Stephen. Stephen, your turn. You say that if they all have the value of all have the value of 2, the result is 10. Otherwise, if they are all the same, the result is 5. You need to put this on the first line. Put this on the first line. Okay. Next one, Kirsten, your turn. One moment, your code is a little bit complicated. Unnecessary difficulty here, okay?
Okay.
Let's redo it. So you want to have a new array. So this is a new array, integer array R. You use R, that's okay. New integer array, you use the count number of the element, that's fine. You start to use a pointer, integer P equals 0, or integer I equals 0, okay? And then I less than nums balance, I increase, okay? And then here, what we would do is if nums I, it's actually an even number, so you actually divide by 2 equals 0. You do R's, P plus plus will be equals nums I, okay? So if actually P equals count, then you break, you will no longer do it, you break, and then you return I.
Mm.
This is more systematically used.
Okay.
First, you declare an array of count number. Okay, originally you don't know how many it is. It's okay. It's a nonetheless. And then you know the second array is count the number. So you start to use a pointer called P starting from here. So every time P plus plus to put a number into there.
Okay.
So if you even, you increase the P by 1. Okay. And then you actually, I is going through the every element in the array, there's no problem. But once your P equals count, that means that you already fill up all of the R array, then you break from the for loop, that's it.
Mm.
That's more systematic than the US. You don't need to count down, the countdown is too complicated. And then you use count minus C, that's also very complicated.
Okay.
Right? Too much,
Okay.
really too much.
Thank you.
Okay, Next one go to Stephen. Stephen, your turn. Your problem is this one is double equal sign. You're trying to do kill yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, next one, Tristan, your turn. This must be wrong. It's actually it's an array. It's not really a string. It's an
Oh.
array of string. It's not array. It's not like that.
Hmm.
We do everything. Your logic. Okay. Okay, next one. Let me have Stephen. Stephen, your turn. You misunderstood the problem. Redo it. So this one actually, let me see. You may have integer x equals a modular by 10, y equals a divided by 10, integer W equals B 10 to the 0 by 10. And then or G equals B divided by 10. Okay, so you will return X equals W or X equals G. Actually, there's a digit that appear in both numbers. Okay, or Y equals W or Y equals Z. There is a digit that appear in both numbers. So this one is X equals W. I typed it wrong. Okay, sorry. Or X equals G or Y equals W or Y equals G. There's a digit that equals to the other two number. You have two digits. You have the divide by 10 and the modular 10, two digit. And then you need to match that this equals to this, or this equals to this. You read the problem wrong in the wrong way, okay? Next one, let me have Kirsten, your turn. One more. So why n the minus one? Why
Because
here you need to have a minus one? You're starting to the
right.
end.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, be careful. Next one, Stephen, your turn.
I think I just finished the last question of logic one.
Okay, click Java. Click Java. So you go to 1 2. Slow down. You haven't finished yet. So why you return str? What does it mean?
Oh, every iteration returns the string
Every
every time.
later you return things.
Iteration.
Every iteration you return it. You I equals 0, you return. I equals 1, you return again. Are you sure?
Oh yeah, hope.
Every time you return your function already finished. You actually are done. Don't delete the follow. Why are you deleting the follow? The return is wrong. You don't return. Do something else. Why you change to 1?
So if it's 2,
Hmm?
so if it's like 2, you don't iterate. Oh wait, never mind.
Final is a keyword. Can I use final? You just keep repeating. This one, Kishka, your turn. Stephen, you really don't know what you are doing, okay? You just try to come up with something that matching the loop. You really don't understand what is a loop. That's a big problem right now. You learn something, but you do not pay attention to it. It return integer, yeah.
Wait, is it ascending? So 2 and then 5. Okay.
What?
The order, like for the ID, is it ascending? So
ID, I don't know. You have to return according to what they want. So bigger AID bigger, you return 1. AID equals BID, you return 0. AID less than BID, you return -1. You use if, it's easier, yeah. I think AID greater than BID is returning 1. AID less than BID is returning -1.
oh,
And then Else is not needed. Let me emphasize 1,000 times. In the else part, it's all everything. Yeah. Go. Okay. This one go to Stephen. Okay, this one go back to Kirsten. Take your time, okay? This one I'm not going to help you until you struggle enough.
Okay.
This one is harder. Slow down. Think about it before you do coding. This while loop is better make sense.
Okay.
Your three case, A greater than B, A is less than B, and then A equals to B. So A greater than B, A less than B, you are fine. But how about A equals B? Assign one, advance both. Assign one, advance both.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go. You see? That makes sense?
Yeah.
Your way should do that. Let me teach you another way to do it.
Okay.
There's one way that you use a running index on both. So usually I use P and Q. I don't want to use AP and BP. Okay, that's actually too long. But there's another way that we can do it that is using Boolean array. Nine, five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this one is minus, right? Oh, intercept bound. Which one is intercept bound? or here. Okay,
Okay.
this is a different way to do it. I don't know whether it's better or not, but this one is using histogram to solve the problem.
Mm.
Okay, either way it will solve the problem, but you choose the one that you think is better. Okay, I just
Okay.
show you different way to write. I cannot
Okay.
say this one is definitely a better solution.
Mm.
Okay, next one, let me have Stephen. Stephen, your turn. Why you return str? Str is a string. You need to return integer. So this one return 0. It's not return integer str. You pay no attention to the index. One problem here, one problem here, one problem here. None of it you pay attention to it. Oh, Your problem right here, this one you're lucky. This one less than equals to 2. Okay? But this one, if you don't have it, still will work because your STR length minus 2 will go against it. So in fact, this line, I think is not going to help you at all. Second, this one STR length is of no use. You're still writing this means that you pay no attention to the class. Keep repeating the same stupid mistake. This one. Okay, this one probably you kind of I equals 0 as less than 0 minus 2. Okay, let's turn this one on. Okay. This you don't need to do for why you need to declare a variable of not long. You just keep the f. Don't type a super long name. It's making no sense. Okay. Okay, next one for the Kirsten.
Okay.
Remember your A have duplicate
Hmm.
and B may have duplicate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dr. Zhou.
This one, easier way still be using the Boolean array. You have A, B, C, whatever. When you do A array, you mark A true. If there is a A, if there is C, you do. But if you duplicate, you still have only one true. B array, the same thing. If you have A, you mark it true. So after that, you compare A is true, then you actually count the plus. A and B both are true, count plus. Right? Yeah, that would be easier than yours.
Wait, but what if like because it doesn't say that the arrays only contain characters.
Huh? It's a string.
Yeah, it says strings, but
Yeah. But right now it's a B to G, A to G, right? If you are not, if you are not a string itself, you can put it into a map of Boolean value or a set.
oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Put that
Yeah.
string in the set. Okay?
Okay.
That would be easier.
Okay.
Next one, let me have Stephen, your turn. We are only have 3 minutes left, okay? Probably one more turn, maybe. Okay. This one, let me have Kirsten. We have 3 more minutes.
What's after AP1? I finished
After
it.
AP1, you can do recursive one.
Okay.
Hi, Kirsten, your turn. You share your screen, please.
Oh, I forgot to share the screen.
Okay. Next one, let me have Stephen. Stephen, your turn. We have 2 minutes left. Kirsten, if you want to be dismissed, you can leave, okay?
Okay.
Good
Thank
night,
you.
then. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You misspell the lens. I does lens, whatever. Minimum of AB. AB is a string, not a lens. Do you mean the eta lens and beta lens? Array required. A is a string, so you don't do AI, BI. It's not like that. You can calculate at not using brackets.
Wait, could you repeat that?
A, the character add is using parentheses, not using brackets. You gotta be kidding. Okay, good night then. Bye bye.
Hey.